Decode yourself. What I mean by decoding yourself is take a piece of paper and write down 20 things what makes you. What are your values? What are the things which you know? What are the traits you have? And once you write this down, find out 3 books which can teach that trait inside you to anyone. So for example, if you are a confident person, what are the 3 things which will make a person confident? If you are an outgoing person, you can talk to people. You can write down the 3 books which can make them an outgoing person or teach them how to be an outgoing person. For example, how to make friends and influence people. If you are a good communicator, write down that you are a communicator, and then find 3 good books about communications. So similarly, now you have the 20 traits. Say you don't lie, so find books which teach how to not lie or why not to lie. That will allow anyone to learn your value system, your traits into their system, their beliefs, their life. So now you have anywhere from 20 to 60 books, identified your 20 best traits. If you have more traits, if you think you have more skills, you have more things which make you, maybe it could be 50 things, 60 things, but I think you can literally break yourself down into 20 different tasks or 20 different things, and then you just need to find those 20 books or 3 books per traits so that people can have references of the same trait by different people. Take this same paper which you have the 20 traits, and now find different courses on websites like Udemy. So go to udemy.com and write confidence, and now look for the free courses. So find 3 courses which are there for building confidence. So now you have a free course which can build confidence in anyone. So now you have to find 3 courses per trait. Just like you had a book, now you're going to find courses. So now you have these courses which people can do to build confidence in themselves, and slowly you will find anywhere from 20 to 60 courses which will allow anybody to learn the traits which you have.